is William Reynolds. I'm from Philadelphia and I'm 25 years old. When I grew up, I wanted to be a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Nobody ever told me that I couldn't be one. They just said that I could be anything I wanted to be when I grew up. When I was younger, I didn't really have a lot to do on my free time. I did have toys and everything. I just always found joy in drawing something or creating something with my own hands. My father got me into doing models. I remember coming across an older model that he had in his bedroom that was never finished. It was the Wright brothers airplane, the first flight from North Carolina. Um, I remember finding that in his bedroom, and I had actually finished it quite a few years later after that. But that pretty much got me into models. I really just liked the whole hands-on experience. I really like to do car models. I get very detailed with my car models. Put every single detail into it that I possibly can, along with a clear coat and sometimes even waxing the model when I'm done. Most of my inspiration comes from I'd have to say cartoons and museums. I like museum pieces, like the display cases and how they have all the animals or insects or whatever it may be on display. I take insects myself and I put them in the shadow boxes and I put them in glass jars, plexiglass boxes, make little scenes and stuff, and try to prop them up. A lot of people think it's pretty strange, and they actually tell me that's how Buffalo Bill started out, all those psychopaths and stuff. But I just kind of laugh and shrug it off. I have an interesting story about a insect that I came across. I was walking down a stream in Philly, and I come across this wood boring beetle. I go to pick him up. I'm checking him out. I'm holding him and everything, and something caught my attention. I just kind of took my attention away from him for a second. Next thing I know, he's grasped onto my pinky. He has both of his pinchers, his incisors, are underneath of my fingernail. It was one of my more painful experiences, and the lucky little thing was lucky I did not stomp on him. As far as drawing and creating stuff, I guess cartoons would be the root of my inspiration. My favorite piece of art that I've done, I would have to say, would be my frog picture. Spent a lot of time on it, really kind of put a lot of thought into it, and it's just the overall colors and the turnout of the picture was pretty nice. I love art because it lets me express my own creative ability. It lets me explore different things. I get to make stuff and use my hands.